Right, today I'm going to show you this type of videos, how you can generate, and these videos are getting really popular and really viral now because it's close to the Halloween. Just see that. So funny, and there are a number of videos I created and I got a lot of views, and not only me, there are a lot of other friends who's I saw that some of them they already showing this type of videos. And here's another video. And this I generated with Google Flow, but previous one I generated with Video Express. But let's see another one. So the different way, different version you can do this. We'll see the last one and then we will move to video and I will show you how to do that, including the prompt, have you put that, and both free and paid way. It was a long video, doesn't matter, but you can see the process. This is the important. So first thing, this is the prompt. This prompt I will paste in the first comment or in the description, so you can find that, and you just want to copy that. Free method, you need to go to Google Flow, click on this first link after you type in search bar. I'm already logging here. I'm using a pro account, but in the free account you have a 50 credit per day. That means 10 credit per one video, and I explain some of that bit of some of the previous video. You can watch that. So here is the interface, but sometimes this is coming this side here, so but now it's here, it's easier. I'm gonna generate short videos. First thing, you need to go for this small chat box and press here to video. You can select the image or the video. Here this image you can generate multiple time and that is no cost, but here is a 10 credit they will charge, and you can generate 5 videos per day, and then next day is refresh. And also if you have a multiple Gmail account, so you can use that, and maybe 10 Gmail accounts you can generate 10 time multiply 5, so then that means 50 videos you can generate it. And here is the landscape, here is the short ratios, and here is the video, how many videos you want. So I'm gonna using a one video right now. I'm gonna generate one video and a version. This is very important because if you press it here, light now is the fast, you can see here how many credit they will charge, 20 credit. And if you change that to quality, it's 100 credit they'll charge that, but the qualityness is there's no question. If you need a bit long videos, like now here is a 10-second videos, and it's a 50 credit, 15 credit it's charged, and 8 videos, 8-second video, it's going 12 credit. So but I'm not gonna using a Omni Flash, I'm gonna using the VO 3.1 light. So I'm gonna press here and paste the prompt what I give it to you. Now you need to press here this arrow button, then start to generate this video. In the meantime, I'm gonna show you the paid method. That means I allow this software, you know that this is Video Express. This is not a free software. I put the link in the description. You can get a discount, and it's a $49 for the basic plan. It's not monthly, it's not yearly, it is a lifetime. You can generate multiple videos much as you want, and if you go through my link you will get a discount. So there's a video I already did the previously, you can watch that in this channel. And also if you using premium plan, that is $179, that also get a discount once you register, once you purchase through the link in the description. So if not, you can go straight away and purchase the same price, which means the display price, and then you will get multiple other resources as well that is not included still in the basic plan. That means basic plan you will get a 5-second videos. Here you can get a 10-second videos, and there are multiple things. You can go and check that. I put the link in the description. And in this case I'm gonna using here text to video, and the ratio I'm just changing vertical. That means the short video ratio, and click here to advance. And now I'm gonna paste this prompt completely, and I put here automatically enhance. First I will generate without automatically enhance, and I bring this video length to 10 seconds, and I'm gonna click here to create a video. Same thing, one change, I just put here to this tick, right tick here to automatic enhance my video prompt. That means Video Express AI will automatically enhance the specific prompt. You can give a simple prompt, maybe only 2 or 3 sentences. Once you click that, they will enhance the prompt and give a best result. So let's see how is that. I'm gonna click here to create a video. Which one would be the best? So I'm gonna close it, and let's go to Google Flow and see how is the video. Right, this is the video. First I'm gonna download. Using 720 because most of you are using a free account. Well, it is not the exact what thing I really want, so I'm looking at something different video, but let's see again. Right, I'm gonna close it and see how the Video Express videos are generating. These are the previous videos what I generated, I showed you, and here is the Video Express video. That is perfect. That's what I really want, because the kid have to be scary, and he have to scream, and it's realistic, and I'm looking at 2D style video, so not the realistic human style video. Let's watch again. Perfect. I love this video because it gives the best result, no question. And the people, we need the people grab these videos, because that's why the videos start to go viral, because when they stay and retain and they have to see what is going on in the last minute, if it is like that type of scream or the noise, or he's jumping and some movement, would be the best, no question. This is one of the best video. And let's see other video, because this is without change the prompt. Without change mean without enhancing the prompt, right? And here is the enhanced one. Let's see. Well, it's not bad, but anyway, I like the previous one what I generated with Video Express, and the last video what I showed you. Let's watch again. So now you can see where's the boy. He's not in the bed. Sometimes AI it's doing like that, but you saw how the result with Google Flow, but Google Flow, I believe it is not giving the best result for this prompt. And same prompt I used that, you saw that, and they didn't identify 2D or 3D, and they give a human style, and even it is not the best. I mean, no one's carrying, and you saw what is that. So let's watch other parts. Now the boy come here, look at this. He's come, I don't know, he's break the bed and come out or whatever. So but it is not the best, but not bad, I tell you, not bad. And you can cut some parts, you can crop some parts, and split the some part, and fix that issues. But it's not a big issue. But previous one, I like it. The good thing is Video Express, you can generate number of videos without any limitation, so that is the best. So here, right now, you know how to generate this type of videos. Actually, I really want to show you, because this niche now getting start viral, because it is a Halloween niche and it's coming very soon. And you can generate per day with a Google Flow. Try to generate at least maximum you can per day, because every day you will get a 50 credit. It's a refresh. Tweak the prompt, you can change the prompt whatever the way you want, and get the best result. Upload at least 3 short videos, or if you allow to do a little bit longer videos, it is not going to work for that type. But the short videos, I recommend this type of videos would be the best. You can upload this not only YouTube, TikTok, and any other platforms, even the Facebook. This month target for that, and upload 3 videos per day, short videos, different time schedules, and continuously you have to consistently upload 30 days, like 1 month, maybe 2 months. Then after you will see how the result. So this is how you can generate free and paid these type of videos. I hope this video good for you, and you can learn something. And if you love that, you can give a like, and give a comments. If you know any other tools, leave a comment in the comment section, would be nice. And thanks for watching. See you next video. Peace out.